Hi, today I'm going to be doing a review of the LASFit LED dome light bulb. This one is their 31mm bulb, and I'm going to be showing you how to put it into a 2010 Rav4. Just looking at the bulb, honestly, I'm no expert. They look really good quality. I don't really know what else to tell you just looking at it. Let me open it up and I can show you a little bit closer. So this model has kind of the metal on both ends of it. But anyway, seems like really good quality. I'm going to be sure to show you the difference in brightness before and after. So I'll go ahead and do that now. I've got a halogen bulb in the Rav4 right now. Okay, so here's the brightness of the halogen bulb. I'll show you one more angle here so we can really try and compare after installation. Okay, here is the LED to compare. And here's angle number 2. I gotta be honest, I'm a lot more impressed than I thought I'd be. That is really bright. And that's nice to be able to see everything so clearly inside the car. So if you can see right here, there's a little spot where there's kind of a divot in the plastic. There's going to be another one here and 2 more corresponding on this side. Sorry, 2 more corresponding on this side. There are 4 clips that hold this plastic piece in. So what you want to do is get something like a flathead screwdriver in between the kind of clear plastic and this tan plastic. You're not going to put it between the tan plastic and the roofing. You're going to put it right in between these two, and I'll show you that. So I got my flathead here going in between the two, and then I'm going to gently just kind of pivot it and get that out. I'm going to come over here, put it right in that tab and do the same thing. And it pops out pretty easy. Now you want to make sure your light has been off for a decent amount of time or else it's going to be really hot. Mine's not too bad. And then you actually need to rotate this before it will pop out. It has a little tab. Let me change so you can see a little better. It has a little tab almost like a battery that holds it in place. So if I push on that, oh, there it goes. Okay, so again, the LEDs on this one are on this side, and then there's kind of this pokey looking metal on the other sides. So what we're gonna do is put this in first, and there is a little hole. Let me show you that the end is kind of gonna slide into. If you look right there. So that end's going to go in there. Sorry, it's a little bit blurry. I might have to do this one first. There we go. Golden. Okay. So I was trying to push it in there a little further than maybe it needed to go. We're just going to put the cover back on. It's pretty obvious which side goes where. You'll put the 2 tabs in on the side that doesn't have the switch. And then just kind of bend it to get the other 2 sides in there. Well, there you have it. If you have any questions for me about installation, any questions about the bulb, just leave them below in the comments. And if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe below. You can find a link to purchase the bulbs below as well. Thanks.